Hi friends, let me show you this new wall storage cabinet that I received for review purposes. This is a practical cabinet that you can fix on the wall, in your tool room, in your garage, in your office, wherever you want to store things in a practical manner, okay? You get the user manual and installation manual, as you can see, all the instructions that you need. This is the back panel, the one that you will fix to the wall through these holes, okay? These are the side panels. You get all the accessories that you need to install it, even some gloves to handle it. This is the floor panel. And this is the actual door. As you can see, it has these accessories, so it will stay open and it will close easily, okay? And these are all the panels extra, even a shelf in the middle of it, okay? So, we are going to install it and let you know how it goes. Thank you. As you can see, the cabinet is already in the wall, perfectly placed. You could put anything on it. You have two shelves, okay? Whatever you want to store here, and it has some a key, so you can close it and lock it. You could store liquids, danger products that you don't want your kids or other people to be able to get them, and you can grab them whenever you need them. So if you need to store things in your home, in your warehouse, in your garage, in your office, this is a nice metal, really strong cabinet. As you can see, the door opens easily. You can work on it and then you can close it, easy operation, and lock it. Thank you.